People say indicators can't make you profitable. That's kind of like saying calculators don't help with math. Well, maybe they haven't seen my indicator yet. Allow me to break it down. First, my indicator clearly marks your healthy demand zones. No guesswork, just clarity. Then it spots the ABC setups. And trust me, when we say ABCs, we aren't just talking letters and preschool songs. ABCs are the cornerstone of knowing if the market is developing a trend. Think of them as your personal GPS, telling you exactly when to take turn into some profits. But here's the real magic. It auto-marks your Fibonacci levels on every candle for you, and it doesn't matter if it's bullish or bearish. Yeah, you can thank me later, but right now, it's still in beta testing, so don't ask me when it's dropping. I'm still tweaking the secret sauce recipe, extra spice incoming. But here's exactly how I use it. First, I confirm a valid ABC, positively priced. Then, I ensure we've got a healthy bullish box forming right in that ABC zone. Lastly, I check my fib levels to pinpoint exactly where I take my partial profits. That's it. No fluff, just smart simplicity. Who said trading had to be complicated? Certainly not anyone who's seen my charts.